In this video, we will show you how to install the Halo Series 6-inch pod light. First, check out the components. There is a component list indicating what you will find in a package. Step 1. Install the bracket. We recommend installing the bottom screw first for the upcoming installation. The correct order of washers should be a regular washer first, followed by a spring washer. Next, align the bracket with the side holes on the lamp. For the side bolts, you need to insert the spring washer first, then the regular washer. You can leave the bolt loose for now. The upper hole is for position security. The lower hole on the bracket can adjust the light and tilt the angle. This is what it looks like once you fasten all the screws and bolts. Step 2. Mount the light on the main bracket. Regardless of which mainframe you use, the bottom screw is key to mounting the light. To fasten the bottom screw, place the regular washer first, then the spring washer. Finally, add the nut. Step 3. Wiring. All models will have 4 ports, switch, synchronization wire, power input, and output socket. Now let's connect the power lines to the battery terminal. Place the positive and negative in their designated places. Connect the Y splitter to the light. Press the switch repeatedly to toggle between light colors. Long press the switch to turn off the lights. This is a synchronization wire harness. These wires need to connect to the vehicle's electrical system to sync with the original lighting. Professional installation by a car maintenance expert is strongly recommended. Need more help? Feel free to contact our professional customer service to get more instructions.